I have no stamina to climb up the bow plantation. Beautiful tea plantation, which is called the Bow Plantation. Exhausting. We are now at the biggest tea plantation in Malaysia, Cameron Highlands, the Bow Plantation. We are not in Colombo, we are in Cameron Highlands. Selling items, garden tea. By the way, you can get all this at the supermarket. You see, I was talking, we are not in Colombo, yet we have something from Colombo. This machine is specially transported from Colombo. Economic tea roller, soul makers, Walker Sons and Co. Colombo Iron Works. Yet we are not in Colombo. I'm not so sure about the factory. It is not allowed for tourists nowadays. I think it is because of the COVID-19. They are making sure that everything is safe and hygienic. Oh damn, this is not pandan leaves. I was deceived. Boliao. I can't remember the botanical name of the flower. There's always a botanical name for everything here. getting sunny in Philadelphia. Sorry, Cameron Highlands. Let me pluck one of the tea leaves. Okay, the botanical name of the tea tree, we call it shrubs, is Camellia sinensis. Quite a catchy name, yeah, for the guys. Camellia sinensis. Tea is graded based on the quality of the leaves, and the best grade tea in the South Asia is called orange pickle, and as lowest as they call it fannings or dust. That's all about tea, simple. Bo liao. Bo liao.